Multipure not only has the below sink stainless steel model, and that model can also be converted to a countertop model. We also have the Multipure AquaDome, which is a countertop use only. So in today's modern kitchen, usually you run into faucets like this with sprayers. What you would have to do in order to install this model is to have the old style aerator that actually looks like this faucet tip. If you do have it, and you may have it in your bathroom, or it might be a utility sink, but the AquaDome model, when it's screwed onto the faucet, it's simply, when you want drinking water, you just push the pin, that resets, directs the water through the tubing into the Multipure filter, and then it comes back out the small tubing and actually comes out of this faucet head per se, and there's your cooking, drinking, or rinsing vegetable water. When you're done, all you do is reset the pin, and again, now the water would just come through so you can rinse plates, wash your hands, so it becomes utility water again. These again are designed for countertop use only. And one of the main important parts about the Multipure product line is this filter is going to be less expensive because it's plastic. It's a countertop model compared to stainless steel below sink, which has to be able to withstand, surges and water pressure. Because this is cheaper, it doesn't change the quality of the cartridge. So all of the cartridges in these drinking water systems have the same NSF certification for contaminant reduction claims. And that's what you're buying these for, is what does it take out? And that was one of the biggest, enlightening things about the product line for me, was cheap didn't mean worse or less quality. The latest Multipure filter that's been introduced by the company is what is called the Aqua Mini. And as you can see, it's a smaller version of the below sink Aquaversum MP750 SV. And this is ideal for a travel filter. It is ideal for college students. It's ideal for rental. It could be RV, second home, anywhere where you want a portable unit and you maybe don't use it all the time. But it is very economical. It has a 250-gallon replacement cartridge made from the same media as the 750 below sink model is. And again, this has the same adapter setup that you would need to have the faucet so that you can screw it on. And again, the same, push the pin, reset, and you're able to use utility water or cooking, drinking, or rinsing vegetables. And an interesting point that I want to make, a lot of people will say to me, well, I have a unit in my refrigerator, or I have a pour-through pitcher unit, whatever it is. I always ask people, do you buy organic or produce or vegetables? And most people do. They may not buy everything naturally organic, but a lot of people prefer to have their fruits and vegetables be organic. And I go, what do you rinse them with when you bring them home? And it usually stops people cold, because it's like the realization that this is the water they have been using to rinse the vegetables. And believe me, the owner of this home, I will definitely point out and ask that question, are you buying organic, and what do you rinse those fruits and vegetables with? The other thing that people don't realize is when you boil eggs, or you steam broccoli, steam spaghetti, anything that you do that utilizes tap water in a cooking process, believe me, you may want to change your mind after seeing this water, that you would want to be using filtered tap water, and preferably through the Multipure systems. And one of the most important thing about the Multipure, besides its contaminant reduction claims, is this is a 42-year-old original equipment manufacturer who has made every system for the last 42 years. They've made it with a lifetime housing warranty and a 90-day unconditional money-back guarantee. And one of the most important things about the Multipure is everybody in the family uses it. Anybody that comes into the house. And if you have pets, If you have plants that you love, your favorite orchids, believe me, not having chlorination in the water for any living item in the home is going to improve everyone's health, not to mention the wide range of contaminants that the Multipure is certified to remove.